Welcome back to Underway Drifting and Dreaming. I'm Jennifer. My husband Jim and I have been cruising since June of 2023 on this beautiful 48-foot Kadey Krogen Whaleback, the motor vessel Cetus. She is a 1997 hull number 12, full displaced trawler, extended ocean cruising, and suitable for inland cruising as well. Jim and I completed our America's Great Loop December of 2025. The original owner had this boat built for limited mobility accessibility. There is one floor, an elevator, and on the back of the boat you see there was a lift. That lift could go 6 foot over to the dock, 6 foot the other way, and down into the water and back up in the position it is in, for either easy walking access or accessibility by a wheelchair. And the best thing, it has an elevator. You'll see that in use later. While we're traveling, we went from Key West all the way up to Ontario. Here we are, Trent Severn Waterway, getting ready to go across the Marine Railway. So our boat was flying and we crossed the Trent Severn. Check that out. Here we go, back onto the other side, and we'll be heading out to the Georgian Bay. We enjoyed our time in the Georgian Bay. Here you see that we have two anchors, a primary and a secondary. That bow anchor and a stern anchor was tied off. We have wonderful memories being at anchor at the dock and cruising. Here is a picture of us going down in one of the Tennessee locks. As we're going down, thank you Wicked Good for taking this video. Jim and I can maneuver the boat. I usually handle the lines, take care of the anchoring, and it makes it easy from being up on the top deck. Our boat has one engine, a Cat 3208, naturally aspirated, a Yamaha 27 horsepower wing engine. A wing engine is an additional engine in case something happens to the other one. It can bring you home. It provides about 2 or 3 knots. It has a generator, a Northern Lights, 12 kilowatts, and many other great items that will be put down in the description. Thank you to the Olympia for this photo of us leaving 12-mile anchorage, heading to the Mobile Bay. As you can see, we're 48 foot compared to the SS United States, and we go north, south, east, and west. Here we are on the Tom Bay. Last summer, we lifted her out of the water in Demopolis, Alabama for 45 days on the hard. Check our playlist out and you will see that we worked on our bow thruster, swim platform, installed a Victron inverter, installed 2 transducers, painted Seahawk BioCop, and prop speed, aka liquid gold. Check her out. Got the BioCop Seahawk bottom coat. Just looks wonderful, and it has held up very well. Jim did dive on the boat just a few weeks ago. He worked on that bow thruster, installed 2 new transducers, which are working spectacularly. We know exactly how deep the water is underneath our hull now. And you can see the stabilizers. The stabilizers do a wonderful job when we're out in any type of sea. It gives a smooth ride. Jim also took down the shoe here. You can see the shoe there underneath the prop, or the skeg, and the rudder. Those were coated with prop speed, aka liquid gold, because it's like painting on gold in the props. You see the main engine prop and the wing engine prop also have that prop speed on it. We installed a factory original swim platform. The hydraulic platform is in storage and can be reinstalled and mounted. The hydraulic parts are still in place and can be easily done. I love my swim platform. I can get off and go kayaking and use my SUP board all by myself. This was a stunning location on the Tennessee River. Have the mountains behind us, the clouds are low. Here you can see our tender, aka dinghy, is on the back. It's a 2017 13-foot brig with a 50 horsepower Honda on the back. It is very easy to drop in the water with our brand new hoist. This winter, Jim replaced the hoist on the boom, and now we have a safe, fast, launchable, and recoverable hoist. And we're looking forward to having so much fun taking out our tender more this summer. Let's wish Kadey Krogen community a happy 50th birthday. Here, this is part of the Kadey Krogen family. Stella Mars took our video. We traveled with many other Kadey Krogens, and they have a great resource, and they are our boat family. Boating has a great community wherever you go, but I think it's having that extra Kadey Krogen family that makes owning this whaleback something very special. Thank you to all of our Kadey Krogen friends. That these videos that you see us are mostly coming from them. Wicked Good, Olympia, Stella Mars. Here are a few photos that Jim took on the boat. We also have our boat tour video. I'll post it at the end. If you have specific questions, reach out to Jim at motorvesselcetus@gmail.com. Also look at the rest of our YouTube videos. A great playlist for maintenance to see what type of things that Jim has gotten himself into. Enjoy.
dinner time.
Whoa.
Can't look through the camera and eat. Beautiful weather for dinner.
It's been our pleasure to be the caretakers of this 48-foot Kadey Krogen Whaleback. Is it time for you to start cruising? This was just the other day as we did a 26 hours crossing the Gulf from Tarpon Springs to AGLCA. Our time has been magnificent. Many stunning views as we see here. We have these friends joining us. Reach out to Jim if you have more questions. I'll put the specifications, the details below. But she could be all yours for the Great Loop and beyond as we continue our adventure, RVing, and maybe the Pacific Coast. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching. We'll be making more.